could turn this into this. Hello friends! Do you love making your home beautiful with personalized pieces made from inexpensive materials? Well, you're in luck. Today I will show you how to make high-end subway art pieces from cost-friendly materials that you may already have around your home. Here are the items needed for this project. You will need a wooden frame. I purchased this frame from Walmart, but you can get it from Michael's, you can get one from Hobby Lobby, even Dollar Tree. They have a lot of different frames that are wooden that can be painted. You'll need paint, spray paint or acrylic works. I use spray paint for this project. It goes on probably just about as even as acrylic paint. The process is just quicker. You'll also need paint brushes if you're going with acrylic paint, and subway art that you can print from Google. You can find free images on Google Images, or if you're good with Canva or Microsoft Publisher, you could also create your own personalized subway art by using that software. I chose to print my subway art on cardstock paper, the standard 8.5 by 11 sheets. If you find larger frames, you may find a print shop that might be able to print your subway art on larger paper, or you can take it to maybe a photo lab and have them print a larger piece of paper or photo background for you. But I decided to just go with the standard 8.5 by 11 for this project because I was doing more than one. And you'll also need embellishments. You can buy pretty flowers to hot glue onto your frames, or jewels, or beading. It's pretty much whatever you like to use, whatever your personal taste is. But I say go crazy, go wild, and have fun with it. But it's very inexpensive and anyone can do it. These are the finished frames. Again, I used spray paint for this project. I bought it at Walmart. I believe it was $5.47 for a can. I didn't use a full can. I maybe used a quarter of a can, if that much. But once again, you can also use acrylic paint. It comes in all types of colors. I generally did 2 coats. I allowed the coats to dry for about 6 hours between each coat. And after the second coat, I allowed the frames to dry for 24 hours before assembling my art. After the frames were dry, I assembled the art and it came out beautifully. I really loved how this project turned out. You can use, you can do liquid art on your frames. If you're artistic, you can do several colors if you like. It is up to you. You can do anything you like. This project was really easy, guys, low cost, and you can personalize it in so many different ways. It's so much fun. I hope you all enjoyed my video. I hope you go out and be creative. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.